How to disable Snapchat calls. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can deactivate Snapchat calls or disable it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if a person has been bothering you so much that you would simply like to disable the calls or call notifications for them, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Snapchat app. Let's say that you want to actually disable the calls and messaging for one specific person. You can simply just come to their profile page, tap the three dots option, go to manage friendship and choose to remove them as a friend. But of course that's not what we're going to do. What we're actually going to do is we're going to just come back here and then tap the profile icon from the top left, and then make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And now right over here you can see notifications. Tap on notifications and simply look for the calls notifications here. And once you look for the calls notifications, you can just choose to uncheck them. So make sure to uncheck all of these notifications if you don't find it, right? Now once you've done this, the other thing that I want you to do is simply long press the Snapchat app icon, or you can open up settings and then instead also go to notifications on your smartphone. Once you go to notification settings on your smartphone, simply go to app notifications and simply search for Snapchat. So let me also go ahead and then search for Snapchat. Now all you have to do is just turn off notifications. Now whether you receive a call or a message, you are not going to get notified. This way you can go ahead and then disable Snapchat calls. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.